Okay guys, hello, welcome back to another video. This time I'm gonna be doing something a little different. I'm gonna show you how to make a crochet cloth face mask. Yeah, there's no specific name for it yet, but that's what it is. So here I have some yarn, my beautiful colorful yarn. So for this project, you will obviously need yarn and a crochet stick. So usually when you buy your yarn, comes with this over it, so it will tell you what size needle you'll need if you're doing crochet or if you're doing knitting. So I hope this isn't too blurry, but you can see the size here. It says 6M here, and that is exactly what I have. So there are two ways that you can get your thread. You can get it from the middle, which I prefer, or you can get it from the side. It's kind of tangled up here, but yeah. So first things first, you're gonna want to start by creating a slip knot. So this is how I create my slip knot. Take the string, wrap it around my finger, pull one over the other again, and boom, put my needle through. Here goes my knot. You can tighten it, make it loose, whatever works. So you're gonna want to do what some would call a single crochet just to start your chain. So you have your needle, you wrap it around, and you pull it through the loop. Again, wrap it, pull it through. Wrap, pull through. If it's a little hard to get through, it's probably because you're holding it too tight, which is okay. But I'm just gonna continue to wrap and pull through. Now you continue to do it like this until it fits the length that you want it across your face or for whoever you're making it for. So I'm just gonna continue. So I think this is long enough to cover, just the area of the face, because there's gonna be, some folding going on here. These colors are so nice. But I'm gonna show you how to start the next row. So from your last, you're gonna wanna chain 2. 1, 2. There are so many different patterns that you could do: single, double, triple, box, whatever. I think I'm just gonna show you how to do regular single. Anyways, so you chain 2, then looking at your yarn, you're gonna want to chain right here at the top. So yarn over, push through there, grab, 1 and slide it through all 3. Again, so wrap your yarn around, push it through the bottom, yarn, pull through, and pull through again. I'm going to show you the type of pattern that doing this one makes. So let's just continue. So we're getting into the last of this line. Push it in through that first hook, chain, and ta-da. So you should have your line. So in order to start on this row, you're gonna basically do what you did to start this first row. So chain 1, 2, then you hook it, and you push it in to this one right here, and the same thing all over again. Make sure you got yourself a good grip. Pull through 3. So remember, back into right here, yarn over 3 and pull through. So as you're going, you'll start to notice this pattern here on one side, and it's going to be the same thing once you do the next row on the other side. It's going to show up like that too. So you're just going to continue until you get to the end. Also, when you're going, it may look like there's going to be a hole in it, but not really, because it just goes back down the next time you stitch. Okay, so we're getting to the last of the rows. So you're gonna wanna make work that, and then in the last one that is right there, push it through, make quick work. So you should have the ends looking like this, and boom, there goes your second row. Now onto the third. You can do the same thing all over again. And in to that stitch. So basically, like I said, it's gonna show up on the other side too. And it's gonna be sort of pattern, which you'll see as you progress. And I'll come back when I am done with the desired length. So you can use any type of material, old cloth, old t-shirt, old whatever. You can order cloths, whatever works for you. Just make sure it lines up with your thread.
Come on. You make so fast, and I go work, so then, no, come here fit. If it man that good, you know, brush it anyway. Give me the elastic one stay up on me here.